Aloha amigos. Doing great? Well, doesn't seem so. Failed to get the desired grades in the last assignment? Here's a perfect guide to turn it to A+. Well, the secret is, you need to prepare yourself mentally as well as technically. We bring to you the simplest way of scoring an A+ in your assignment writing task, directly from the writer's desk. Let's peep into both the aspects one at a time. Your assignment grades will skyrocket if you work on them with the same dedication that you have when you are playing some game that you desperately want to win. Here are a few steps to keep yourself motivated. Work on your mindset, as this would help you look on the brighter side of the picture and earn you great grades. Have a plan that you need to follow. No, we're here not talking about the schedule, but the work plan. Areas to focus and the common mistakes to pay attention to. Break your tasks into smaller chunks and allot enough time for each of them. This would reduce the pressure of stringent deadline and help you do better. Now that you know your steps, the next big thing to do is work on reminding yourself the work as well as the plan that you have. Feeling motivated already? Yes. Now that you are mentally ready to work on your writing task, let's us not leave the technical aspects aside. Let's see the technical to-dos to help you improve your grades in the assignment writing task. Definitely, every mission needs a little preparation, and so do you. Here's what you need to do before you roll up your sleeves for the mission A+. Also, have something for munching. Constant energy source, better results. Read the class notes that you have prepared. Don't just read them, rearrange the information to form a source of your assignment. Taking proper class notes is the secret the topper never wanted you to know. The class notes will help you have a basic idea of what to include and what not to include in your assignment. Visit the libraries to collect more information on the topic and add it along with the draft where you have reframed the class notes. You have the information ready. Now move to the next step and prepare an outline of the work. This could be your heading with subheadings or simply the information that you have gathered so far arranged in a sequence. An outline of your assignment is the easiest way to check if you are missing on any information. Once you have the basic structure ready, start filling words to it. Do not start as if this is your final work, just arrange the information you have collected in a way to reflect what information goes where. Once you have filled the sheet, all you need to do is frame proper sentences and complete writing your assignment. Here use simple language and take care of the word count too. When you are working on the writing task, do not miss to add some interesting examples in the work. This would make it easier for the professor to evaluate your understanding of the topic. Now that you have filled up the sheet with all the required information, just make it a little presentable. Add some images or flowgraphs to explain your concept clearly. Visually explaining things is easier than doing so through words. Now that you have included the images in the work, you already had examples ready, and you have filled up the sheet with a lot of interesting and comprehensive information. The final step is to read your work and edit it to perfection. Just check there are no loopholes or any room for error. A well-written work is evaluated well only when it is well edited. So, now that you are mentally and technically ready, just gather your writing tools and start working on your assignments now. This is sure shot time-tested strategy, so just roll your sleeves up and see your dream grades coming your way.